The world today often feels chaotic and unpredictable, and so I strive to live life daily with intention. In today's video, I would like to talk about how I go about living my life with intention and why that's important to me. My recent When Life Gives You Lemons podcast episode with Felicity Ashley had many parallels with my story, whereby she overcame a cancer diagnosis, went through some serious life reflection, and made big choices off the back of it. Felicity's story emphasises the importance of resilience, purpose, and the transformative power of both physical and mental strength. Her experiences remind us that life is fleeting, and it's essential to seize each day with a sense of purpose and intention. Felicity's journey began with an extraordinary challenge, rowing across the Atlantic Ocean. This endeavour, which few have accomplished, was more than just a physical test. It was additionally an exploration of mental strength. She describes how the experience fortified her belief in her resilience, a belief that would later serve her well during her battle with cancer. The skills and confidence gained from her rowing adventure became a foundation upon which she could build her physical and emotional strength in the face of adversity. Felicity's perspective on her cancer diagnosis and subsequent treatment further illustrate the importance of living with intention. Despite facing a 27% chance of recurrence of her bowel cancer, she chooses to focus on the 73% chance she has of remaining healthy. This optimistic outlook is not just about positive thinking, it's a conscious decision to live fully rather than dwell on the uncertainties of her future. Her philosophy of embracing life regardless of potential setbacks is a powerful reminder that we have the agency to shape our experiences. By choosing to live intentionally, we can find joy and purpose, even in the most challenging circumstances. My own reflections on my personal growth following a cancer diagnosis reveal a deeper understanding of what it means to live with intention. Similar to Felicity, following my journey, I had a shift in my perspective, leading me to reassess my priorities and align my life with my true purpose. I asked myself, what are my true values and how do I want to live so that I can align with these values? This transformation is quite a common thing among those who face life-changing challenges. Trauma often prompts a re-evaluation of what truly matters. I now have a commitment to live each day as if it were my last, and I try and share this message to anyone listening so that we can all embrace the present moment and make the most of our short lives. In conclusion, I wanted this video to be a reminder of the transformative power of living life with intention. While the day-to-day may be fraught with difficulties, the act of engaging in challenges, whether through exercise, community, work, or personal growth, can empower you to reclaim your life. By embracing what matters to us and living aligned with our true values, we can cultivate a real sense of fulfillment and an unwavering commitment to living fully each day. If you found this video interesting, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to see it, and don't forget to subscribe here for more insights and reflections.